Hi everyone, I am Yujia, and I'm here to present a smart medications recording and medical progress tracking mobile platform using artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the introduction to the problem. Taking medications and tending to the proper treatment is essential for everyone. Yet, according to the National Center for Drug Abuse Statistics, just in the United States, about 16.3 million people misuse prescriptions in a year. Additionally, there are many repercussions for misusing medications. A study done in British Columbia concluded that patients with inappropriate use of drugs were more likely to be admitted to hospital, were admitted to hospital more frequently, and were more likely to require emergency admission. Long-term struggles with alcohol or drug can also lead to considerable impairment in many systems in the body, especially the immune system. What's more, improper drug use could also trigger or worsen mental health conditions, particularly in people with specific vulnerabilities. So our solution is Oblige Doctor. There are many solutions one can manage their medications, but an application could be particularly helpful. For instance, data collected in 2022 has shown that about 108% of people in the world have mobile subscriptions, which proves that mobile applications are a widely accessible source for most people. To make Oblige Doctor even more accessible, it can also be accessed across iOS and Android platforms. AI is also incorporated in the application, which AI incorporation is a growing trend for mobile applications. But what is alarming in some applications is that it asks and collects too much user data, thus neglecting user privacy. Our app, Oblige Doctor, instead emphasizes user privacy and avoids the collection of private information from social media with giving user choices for setting up their own notifications, ensuring a personalized experience free from intrusive algorithms. Okay, let me see. Some functions of Oblige Doctor include options for user login, having a personalized notification system to remind users of their medication schedules, AI incorporation to help users identify a certain medicine, and it also tracks one's current medicines and the homepage, which one can click into and check out more about. So for the technological part of the app, image processing, the Google database, Firebase, and Flutter are all used to code this app. The data that is showed here are the results for the accuracy of the notification tests across 3 continents, Asia, Europe, and Americas, and in different time zones. With here is the 100, like the red line on the top is the 100% line, and they are all pretty good. So other than that, I'm going to show 2 videos for the demo of the app. So first, this is to demonstrate the form for adding your prescription and medicines. So here is your profile page, and you can add your medicines through the form there. You can put a simple description, and here when you add in the picture, AI could help identify the name, but sometimes it might not get it fully right. So you can make some adjustments at the bottom. And after you do that, there is a confirm button at the end, at the bottom, that you can click on, and then it will save your data. Okay, wait a second. So another demo is the notification system, which here there is a notification that popped up. And when you open it, this is a little fast. But once you open it, it gets the app, and then on your homepage, you can see all your current medicines. And if you click into one, there is your descriptions, and there is also a reference to drugs.com that you can reference. Here are your descriptions that you can make by yourself. And here, when I make all of them false in the prescriptions, I can only see Ambien. But if I also make that false, you won't see any medicines on the prescriptions page. Okay. For future developments, that I will strive to achieve are expanding on the scope of Light Doctor to help a wider audience. Such as those who struggle with mental health conditions or other diseases. I am also going to amend the app's function to schedule and remind users of their doctor's appointments, which is currently under construction. And finally, I am also considering on incorporating more useful and accurate AI into the app to make the user's job easier when searching for or identifying medicine. In conclusion, Oblige Doctor is an optimal solution for medicine tracking that incorporates a lot of useful functions, such as the notification system and the AI image processing, which are all personalized. Here is my works cited page, and thank you